In this tutorial, we will learn how to create AAA rocks. More specifically, it's a guide through the entire RGB masked workflow, so we can create large objects such as cliffs while still retaining texel density at any scale and without having to use big textures. We will start at the beginning with sculpting the high poly rock, covering the techniques I use for rocks and cliffs in general. And after a brief look at low poly creation and UVs, we will move on to texturing and shading, which is the part that is more unique to this workflow. Here we will look at the holy triangle of detailed texture creation in Designer, mask setup in Painter, and shader creation in Unreal Engine. The content is meant for intermediate artists, and I will assume knowledge of basic controls and fundamental asset creation is already covered. This frees us up to be more concise and focus purely on the workflow and the mindset involved, and you will walk away with everything you need to know to create large-scale cliffs for AAA games.